This Monday, Nifty could face massive drubbing. The negative catalysts: Trump threatens massive increase on China tariffs, 100% tariffs on China imports above tariffs already enacting. Technically speaking, Nifty's immediate support seen at psychological 25,000 mark. Gift Nifty is indicating a gap-down start for our stock markets. The big and uncertain question: will this early selling be just a one-off event or the start of something more unsettling? Before we get into detail, let's rewind. Please note, Nifty had closed on a bullish note in Friday's trade as PM Modi, President Trump talks ignited optimism at Dalal Street. But today is a different day, a day which could belong to the bears. They're back in action, eager to reclaim control of the street. Blame the morning pessimism on Trump threatening massive increase on China tariffs. The president was threatening 100% tariffs on China imports above tariffs already enacting. Amidst this backdrop, Wall Street too suffered a huge blow-off in Friday's trade, the worst since April 2025. Dow Jones fell 879 points. S&P 500, 2.7%. Nasdaq Composite, 820 points. Long story short, it appears a new phase of turbulence and uncertainty has just started. Caution shall return to Dalal Street. Market trends. The global cues are negative. In Friday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 459 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 1708 crores. Sentiments are likely to be cautious for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals suggest some massive consolidation. FANO October month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,500 and 26,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has tumbled towards 10.10 levels. At last check, USD INR, October, was trading near the 88.78 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th October, is at 1.07 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 28th October, is at 1.12. Nifty outlook. After last week's Nifty's bullish euphoria, caution returns to Dalal Street this Monday, and for now, defensive trades and risk management will likely dominate this week's playbook. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 5285. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 25,021 on closing basis. Immediate interweek resistance is placed at 25,670 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,000 and 25,300. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 82501. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 81,100 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 83,200 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 81,508 to 700. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 56610. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 55,600 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 56,900 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 55,800 and 56,800. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. Dalal Street enters the new week with a measured sense of pessimism as focus shifts firmly to the Q2 earnings season. Traders should remain alert to short-term volatility as fluctuations in U.S. bond yields or commodity prices could lead to intermittent profit-taking phases. Stocks in spotlight. Key earnings on radar this week. Monday, 13th October, HCL Technologies, Just Dial, Anand Rathi Wealth. Tuesday, 14th October, ICICI Lombard, ICICI Prudential, Persistent Systems, and Tech Mahindra. Wednesday, 15th October, Axis Bank, HDFC AMC, and HDFC Life. Thursday, 16th October, Heavyweights Infosys, Jio Financial, LTI Mindtree, Mastek, Nestle India, Wipro, and Zee Entertainment. Friday, 17th October, Reliance Industries, the centerpiece of the earnings season.